Email templates define a standardized body of text to be sent to users to prompt them for various activities and their respective statuses in VIDIZMO digital evidence management. This is necessary to create a responsive environment for everyone. In this video, we will be looking at configuring email templates in VIDIZMO digital evidence management. VIDIZMO DEM allows users to customize their email templates based on their requirements. From the portal's homepage, click on the navigation menu on the top left corner and click on Control Panel from the Admin tab. From Control Panel navigation, expand the Email and SMTP tab and select Email Templates. From the Email Template screen, hover over any template to see the edit icon appear at the end of the row and click on it. In the Email Template screen, the name of the email template has been stated and the subject of the email template can be modified that would be exposed to the email receiver. By the way, VIDIZMO allows you to add variables in subject beside the body, that helps you create dynamic subject lines for your intended users. Now enter the description for the email that corresponds to the activity regarding which the email has been generated. This field will not be exposed to the email receivers. Select Enable to activate email template for use within the application. Rescript the body of the email to be sent. VIDIZMO DEM provides an advanced editing facility by enabling the user to edit the body of the email using a sophisticated text editor, also displaying the look of the email while they modify it. Besides text, all email templates contain commonly used parameters in the form of variables that dynamically translate to their values for the receivers, that an organization may want to use in the body of the email. Once you're done, click Save to update your changes. VIDIZMO allows you to reset all email notifications to the default. From the Email Template screen, navigate to the Reset button on the top right corner and click on it. A pop-up will appear, click on the Reset button. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO digital evidence management. Stay tuned until next time.